Now, this is kind of the way I look at this. We have this separation from nature that all of us have left farms and done all these things in our lives, and our grandparents left farms and parents. We're more and more educated and know more about the world than ever before, and yet entirely disconnected from the theological cycles of things. So our decisions, our choices, and our decision making is blurred because we really are children in the space, in the natural space. And I think it's some of this stuff is about how we reconnect to that. And agriculture is a great place to do that. It's an excellent intersection. Whether you're farming in your own backyard, producing your food, or you're participating in CSA, or a food co-op, or a farmer, whatever that is, these intimate relationships. So this circle is really what we're going to talk about. So it's innovation, stewardship, and nature. We want to have, the way I look at it, in some ways, nature is the thing that we want to mimic. We learn all of our observation, we learn everything from what we see. We get taught by the system that's around us. The more any of us spend time on our own farms, we learn things all the time about who it is and what it might become and what it was. All the time. There's no like, oh, I finally figured it out. We're always going to learn something. That part of it is then this stewardship, which is really a relationship to how we relate innovation and nature. Innovation is everything from posture to farm plan to new tool that does a finer job. All of these kind of things. These are sort of intimate relationships that we can have. And the stewardship is really this invocation of relating those two things. Just a relationship between how we do it and what we're doing it for in this place. And that really, in the end, comes down to agroecology, which is a term that I really like to use for our team in terms of language, because it, especially in the past couple of years, I feel like it's a really powerful word that is not terribly corruptible. Kind of like sovereignty. There are words that just really cannot be corrupted to a certain extent. And, I have been farming organically for 20 years. I like that term, but it doesn't solve the problem for me. I like what it means in its sort of pure state, but in a way it's non-dichotomous to some other thing. It's a line in the sand that we ought to care for. But what I like about this and what has now emerged from iPhone International Organic Association and the UN has built this how do we feed the world, how do we feed our people? It's really what it is. And we get to this thinking, which is really this concept of large multinational organizations trying to say, we're going to save the world. This idea of saving the world, how we're going to feed the world, something that we're going to do for everybody else, rather than how are we not going to ruin it? Right? Let's just not ruin it. We just kind of agree to that. It's not really my job to save anybody. But I don't want to see anyone fall in the ruin. And we'll make a choice at that point. And that's a really important thing, because some of our choices either go towards that or away from that, or they